Introducing the 2002 Ford Ranger. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, skid plates, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 2 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.